Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for coming back to my channel again. On today's video, I will be showing you how you could get ungated on the grocery section for Amazon business. So I'm already get ungated already and I have started selling for a year now, but I hope this video will help for someone who's really interested and wants to know how to get ungated on that department. So let's go ahead and do it. So what we do is, first of all, you have to find a company that you can order your products from. I live in Canada, and mostly when I want to get ungated, I will come to this website. It's called Larry the Liquidator. It is located somewhere in Ontario. Why do I do online to do this one? So why I come online is there is a lot of shopping around me, like Walmart, Superstore, and different stores. But if I go and shop over there, I will get an invoice, but that invoice do not show my name on it, my address on it. So to get all that information on my invoice, the best way to do it is to come online and shop and get my invoice. Okay, so let's go to the shop department section. And we go to the grocery section, which is food. Here it is. Okay, so from this list, you can pick any product. It is better if you go for the cheaper one, because here what we do is just to get ungated. You don't have to even ship the product to Amazon if you don't want. So this is just for the paperwork to be done. So let's say this one is $1.99. Even this one is more cheaper. So you can go for this one. And what you do is you will order 12. You can make 10 as well. But just to be sure, you just make 12 of this cake mix. Is it a cake mix? Yeah, it's a muffin mix. So you just add it to your cart and pay for it. Once you pay for it, it will ship to your house. Once it arrives in your house, you will find that invoice and the product. So once you get all that information, you come to Amazon section here. You come to add a product section, which is this page. So you will write the barcode of the product over here. Once you put on the barcode of the product, you click search. And for this, I will use just example different one, because I can't show you my grocery because I'm already get ungated and I've started selling for a while now. So let's go for Mario Kart, which I don't sell this product, and it is brand product and we are not allowed to sell under that, right? Without any permission. So this is for our example. Let's pretend this is a grocery. Okay, so what you do is, once you receive all your grocery products, you type the barcode. Let's say this is it. This is example, but this is it. So you come over here and you click new, and as soon as you click new, you will see this apply to sell section. Once you get this apply to sell section, you click it. Once you click, you get this one, request approval. Once you click request approval, it will bring you to this page. Perfect. Now this is where you will be attaching your invoice and the picture of your products. As you see over here, the document must meet the following requirements. Okay, as you see over here, it says show the combined purchase of at least 10 units. You see, I made it 12 earlier, but you can go even for 10 units, 10 products. So you can click this one because that's what you did. So you do this section once you receive your products that you bought online. And also include name and address matching information, which your invoice has to have all that. And also include the name and address of the manufacturer or distributor, sorry. It will have that as well, which is Larry the Liquidator. You can use any company that you know of around you. Even you can do online Walmart shopping. You will get an invoice. I did that to get ungated for my toy section as well. So you can hide your price section, which I didn't. I just sent them the full invoice. And also it says, please note that we may verify your submitted documentation by contacting product vendors you identify in your application. Yeah, okay. Once you read all that, as you see here, you can attach your invoice. You can click over here and you attach your invoice. Also, you will attach the products. You have to make them, like, you have to pick like a picture that shows you have all them together. You can gather them on the table or somewhere, and you take a picture of those products and you attach them here. And also how you want to be contacted by phone or email, you do that and you click submit. Guess what? 90% of the time you get approved, unless otherwise that brand is not allowed to be like given out for anybody, like, but mostly 90% of the time this will be approved. Once, even it takes like more than, like, maybe less than 1 hour, you will get approved and you will start selling this product. Alrighty, so this is how I do mine, and I get Ungated right away, and I've been selling on grocery section for a while now, and I hope this will help somebody. Okay, so if you have any question, please comment down below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.